Hey guys, what's up? Captain Epic here, and as you can see, there's a freaking dead bird right there. I'll zoom it so you can see it. Oh, it's dead. Oh, fly! I'm just gonna leave it there. No, I have to push it to the side. I'm just gonna set it right here. Zoom out. So you can see the dead bird. Right there, man. Right there, that dead bird. Oh, that's nasty. I don't want to touch it. It's right there. Okay. I just came back from my friend's house. Dead bird. I don't know what I should do with it. I don't want to throw it away because I want to see how it rots. Over time, I thought it would be a cool experiment, but I want to push it to the side. And then just get in there. Get in there. Idiot. Dead bird. Shit. Dead bird. Okay. That was a dead bird. Freaking dead bird. Dead bird. I don't know why that was there. Oh, it's nasty. I also feel bad for the bird. Oh. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, hit that like button down below. Yeah. I'm gonna go take a capture of it. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. It was dead. Bye, guys.